Restoring one's honor, a journey towards redemption. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a powerful phrase that often appears in stories, movies, and real life. Restore one's honor. This phrase is rich in meaning and cultural significance, so let's unpack it together and understand how it applies in various contexts. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just curious about English idioms and phrases, this video is for you. To restore one's honor means to regain respect, dignity, or reputation that has been lost or tarnished. Honor is a concept that holds immense value in many cultures and societies. It relates to the quality of being honest, fair, and having high moral standards. When someone's honor is compromised, it often leads to a loss of respect among peers, community, or society at large. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, from personal relationships to public life. For instance, a public figure caught in a scandal might seek to restore their honor by making amends, while a student who cheated on an exam might try to regain their teacher's trust. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this phrase is used. 1. In literature and film, characters in stories often face challenges that tarnish their honor. Their journey towards restoring it involves acts of bravery, sacrifice, or redemption. This narrative arc is common in heroes' journey tales and epic sagas. 2. In real life, in everyday life, restoring one's honor could involve apologizing for a wrongdoing, making amends, or proving oneself through actions. For example, a business that failed to deliver on its promises might restore its honor by going above and beyond for its customers. 3. In historical contexts, historical figures have been known to restore their honor through battles, political reform, or social work, seeking to leave behind a legacy that outweighs their past misdeeds. Honor can have different meanings and levels of importance across cultures. In some cultures, honor is closely tied to family and community, and restoring one's honor can be a collective effort. In others, individual achievements and integrity play a crucial role. Understanding these cultural nuances is key to fully grasping the significance of the phrase. Restoring one's honor is a concept that resonates deeply across different contexts and cultures. It speaks to the universal human values of integrity, respect, and redemption. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of this powerful phrase in the English language. Remember, it's not just about learning words and phrases, it's about understanding the stories and cultures they embody. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay curious, and keep learning.